Welcome to another scripting tutorial. What episode is this? Episode like what? 16, 17, somewhere there. And my name is Windy. You know that because you should be subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, you know? Yeah, alright. So, first of all, I'm about to just let you know, I got more of these coming. More of them scriptings, you know? And today, we were focusing on one thing. Armament Haki, bruh. We call it Buso. You know, it sounds better in Japanese. But yeah. Let's not call it Buso, though, before we get copyright. We should call it Strengthening Spell. Okay? Now, making a Buso isn't that hard. Honestly. First of all, ignore all the scripts. Let's call this Buso. If you want to make it keys, you're gonna have to go to this is what you need. You need a script in Surface Script Service and a local script in your starter GUI or your backpack. Doesn't matter. Run Buso. Let's call that Buso, okay? Let's call it Buso. Yeah, you just put a remote event in replicated storage. We're just making this simple. We're not worried about hiding the remote or anything. Buso. Let's call it run Buso. Yeah, if your key is B. Oh, you should just copy this in your local script. You can pause the video and just copy what I did. Simple. If not enabled, you know. And the script you wanna get the remote event from the replicated storage. You call it run Buso. And when it's fired on the server, you want to connect the function with the player in it. And you want to put state. No, not play. Look. Here it is. And honestly, there's a lot of ways you could do this. If you want it to be like, if you just want your whole your arms and your legs to just go black when you get like Buso, or you can make it where like it starts off with the right, then go, oh, you know what? Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. Because I don't think people ever attempted to do this. There's the screen GUIs right here. Bro, I'm recording this video like before I go to school, so I might be late. So whatever. You know, just like they always say, hit that like button. Let's let me see if this works on mobile. Okay, yeah. Boom. Boom. Simple as that. You might want to just call that holder, whatever. And in the holder, you want to put you want to duplicate it, and then you want to call this head. Oh no, you don't want to do that. Insert a text button and call that head, and make it 0.2, I guess. And for the appears, script up in the holder, get children. Do if class name is equal to text button, then mouse button 1. If not enable, wait 1, enable. Okay, so basically this is a for loop. It's a type that like cycle, all of them cycle, but this one is like, to me it works better when you're like looking for stuff inside a folder. My brain just tells me to do it, and then for this, I'm gonna do this. If state true, if not, fine. zing equals part r part close. Zing dot parent equals char equals well dot negation. I don't know. I didn't do weld. What am I doing? Zing weld part 0 equals zing, I think, yeah. Okay. And first you wanna make this zing dot put color. Let's call it zing dot name equals Buso. And if state is false, oh wait. And this is another loop you can use. Search equals char hashtag search. Basically just cycles through what you use for one to something. So it goes through how many stuff there is that you found and it checks for something. So like if you say if search I the name is equal to Buso part, then search I destroy. And that should work. Let's try it. Let's test it out. Let's make sure that it works. Okay. And I do not think it worked. What? Bet box. Oh, what? Oh, because Buso is not. You see, this is why you always make sure that stuff is working. I just cloned the script. You added one, so it should have said something for you. So let me see if it works. Upper torso. And that GUI is in my way. Alright, now always publish a place even if it's testing, just in case just so you don't lose progress. Okay, upper torso. Hey, and if you click it again, hey. Oh, and to fix that wobbly effect, you just want to say zing, no, not string, zing dot can collide equals false. And if you want to make it look like it's fading in, you could always do, let's do that as institutional white, wait 0.5. Okay. And this should make it look like, you know how it like makes it look like it's heating up, like, you know. And then you can add sound effects. You see? Oh, even though you look weird. So you might want to go inside the zing. Z check equals zing it children. And that should remove all the weird stuff inside the part before it adds the weld. So that way it's not weird looking. And it stops all that whatchamacallit. Yeah, I know, it looks weird. Oh, mesh. Some of the stuff uses a mesh. If z check I that name is not, no, class name is not equal to special mesh, then and You might want to make it like slightly bigger. No. Zing dot size plus not from axis but new, and you want to plus 0.01 0.01 0.01, just so that it doesn't do that weird effect that it's doing. Okay, you got a Buso. I know it looks like it fell. Maybe I should weld it first. Ignore that 0.1. Whoosh. Hey, there we go. Whoosh. Hey, there we go. Now you're black. But yeah. And if you want, you can make it okay. Local base health equals 100. Base health, no. Char the humanoid health equals base health. Char the humanoid max health equals health. You can change the base health of however you want, and then you want to say char that humanoid health. No, that max health equals base health plus, let's say it pluses 25, 15 for each part. Oh, the only problem is so far you can only do one at a time. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's the only problem with this method, is that you can only do one at a time. I mean, there is a way you can make it like do. Okay, let me see. If char find part is Buso part, then oh snap. Okay, if it's equal to nil, then let's ignore the state for now. Else let's try like that. Let's see if that works. Oh wait, no. Let's do else here. Boom, boom, boom. It keeps adding on and adding on. Oh. Cart. And it should keep adding. It should keep adding 15 each time. I will save this to Roblox and make it free. Boom, 15, boom, 15. If you click it again, it removes it. Oh. No, I should make it remove 15 every time. There's bound to be some like, you know, some like minus 15. Every time you click, it should minus 15. Click, adds 15, click, adds 15, click, remove 15, click, remove 15. Hey! And I will fix the right arm, the right leg, and I'll add the left leg and the left arm. And I'll save this to Roblox. I'll leave a link in the description. You know, hit that like button. You know, comment suggestions for new videos. I'm off to school.